Hi guys, so today I'm going to review the app Class Dojo, or it's a website that you can also access on your computer, or you can download it in the App Store to use on your phone. So you just type in Class Dojo, it'll come up here and you'll click either sign up or log in. I already have an account, so I'm going to click log in. I'm going to log in as a teacher. So this is a really good app to use to show kids their progress and to show kids like a reward system. They can access it with their own account. They can access it on a phone or a tablet, on the computer. Same with you. So here's a demo class that I created earlier. So here's a bunch of students. So here you can see that some have like 2 next to their name, some have 1, some have 0. So as a whole class, it shows how many points they also have, which is 11. So say that Carrie did a really nice job answering the question. I could say that she was working hard and give her a point. You can give her a point for any of these things: helping others, on task, participating, persistence, teamwork, hard work, or you can even make your own sections. So I give her a point for working hard, and it comes up and it makes a little ding, so it's nice and exciting for them. You also can reward groups for points. So say they're playing a review game against each other, you can do table 1 versus table 2, and you can keep score that way, which is the same way. So some other cool features that this app has, it has an attendance tracker, so you can keep your attendance through here. So today I've marked Ben and Peyton absent, and I marked Jazz and Carrie late. So here's how you do that. So click on her thing. So they all start as green, so that means that they're there. It goes straight to absent. You click it again, it goes to tardy, or you can do half green, half yellow, which means that they left early. Or you can mark them all present. So the reason that originally Grayson and Peyton were gray was because they had been absent. I had previously marked them absent. Okay, so here's another feature for portfolios. So the other parents can also be in the Class Dojo. So here they could access their child portfolio and see the work that they've been doing, a class story. You can post either photos, videos, files. You can record a video on here or post an event, what is happening in your classroom. So here's just a post that I created a few minutes ago. It says, "Welcome to the class," or here's an example of posting a photo. This is just a random picture from my camera roll I picked of a butterfly, but I made a caption that for our writing prompt today, it is to describe what you see in this picture. So you can add activities that way. There's also a message feature where you can contact their parents or them, and it translates into over 35 languages if you have parents who don't speak English. Back to the classroom. There's a timer feature, which is super cool. You can either make it a stopwatch or a countdown. You can select multiple people if you want to give them multiple points at a time, give them feedback. They were on them both points at the same time. You can pull up this random thing and it'll randomly call on a student. For this toolkit, you can access the timer again. You can do the randomize again. Group maker, it can form different random groups. Noise maker. So it shows how loud the class is being. So if you want them to be quiet, you can also make it more sensitive or less sensitive with how close they are to your computer. Another cool tool is directions. You can make an activity with a bunch of directions. I'm going to hit save for later and show you this example of just some random directions that I put in earlier, it looks like. Today you can also post announcements, welcome messages, morning work, or anything in here. Music, you have focus music, active music. There's just a bunch of cool tools embedded in here. The last really cool thing that I wanted to show you guys was the big ideas. So these are a bunch of little embedded videos. that focus on positive thinking. So there's growth mindset, perseverance, empathy, gratitude, mindfulness, moods and attitudes, big challenges, respect, positive thinking, sharing students classwork, getting started with class dojo, class story ideas, storytelling. So you can click on these ideas. I love the growth mindset feature because this is so important to teach our students. And you can either assign them to watch these videos, you can show the videos in class, and they're super easy to use. So yeah, those are the features that I wanted to show you with Class Dojo. It looks different from a student's perspective, so if you wanted to download the app and log in as a student, you could see that feature also. But it's a really great app for educators to use to show the students how they're being rewarded, so they can be aware of like, okay, I need to answer like 3 more questions to catch up to my classmate, and you can also make prizes involved or however you want to work it. But it's a really good tool to motivate students, and I highly recommend it. Have a great day.